Hi, I'm Lauren and welcome into the studio. Today I am using this amazing cup to do a ribbon pour. It was made for me by Sandra Sensations and I'll tell you a bit more about her soon. Let's get painting first. I really want to thank Sandra for this amazing cup with personalized name on it. If you would like to get one, if you would like to purchase one, contact Sandra. I will put her email details and her YouTube channel in my description below so you can reach out to her and get your own made. This is house satin enamel paint mixed 1:1 with Floetrol. Just going to put a bit of it in the middle. It is no longer clean. Ooh, I'm not used to pouring with this. It'll take some adjustments. I'm getting white gaps, which I didn't want, but we'll see what happens. This is exciting. Really cool. Love this. Oh, it's almost like it's like deep in a storm in an electrical current or something. It also looks like topographical lines on a map. Then there's like a river going down through here. It's like the mountains and the valleys. It's just really quite cool. I love it. This is really quite special. I really love it. There's all these colours that are slowly appearing like a cloud pour, that misty kind of look on the edges. But I love the lines that I've gotten, and that's from the cup. That's all happened because of the 4-portioned cup. Get these amazing ripples through here. This is probably one of my favorite lines. Oh, it's just gorgeous. There are still things happening on the canvas. It really does look like a topographical map. Thank you, Sandra, so much for this cup. I'm really happy with the first pour that I've done with it, and I look forward to using it again. And hit subscribe to my channel as well, and I will see you next time. Don't hesitate to create. Bye.